That's the pool. Okay. Fit. Got my ID here. Yeah. I have to change because I don't like wearing school shoes because they're like so hard and stiff.
Hey, hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
If I can change my fit right now, I would. But I'm wearing my uniform. CSA represent. We were here last year, July. We went on a cruise for dinner. But this time, we will just be staying here at the hotel just to relax, recharge, rejuvenate, all the R's. The breakfast here is good. It's not like best, but it's good enough. I also like the pool. The pool isn't like bad. It's just right, yeah. This time, I have a camera now. At least I have content now to post. Say hi. Say hi, Yuri. Yuri, say hi. Yuri. Oh, Kuya. Say hi. It's raining right now. For some reason. It wasn't cold when we got in the pool. We got out, so it's so cold. It's now raining. We got out of the pool. I'm just waiting for the shower to be vacant right now. It's so cold, it's so windy. It's a vibe though. It is a vibe. It's Tokyo Tower. We are out here. It's the next day. We're wearing a formal outfit because we will be attending an assembly here in Subic. We're gonna have our breakfast now.
Kuya, look at the swimming.
You wanna swim again?
Yeah, because I want to ride your back.
My breakfast.
My
Yes. Soup. That's my strawberry sandwich. The breakfast was mid compared to last year. A lot less food and drinks available. As long as there's breakfast, it's all good. I have to fix my hair. That's like the makeup for guys. It's the hair. So yeah.
When I think of you, baby, even if nothing happens, we can still be friends. Even for my private number, call me again if I'm on your mind.
Here's my outfit for tonight. Very simple. It's just a plain black polo shirt. Some shorts, slippers. I won't be swimming tonight because I feel so tired. But I'll be hanging around by the pool. I'm not sure if we're gonna go to a cafe later. Hopefully we will. Yes.
Wonder when you're gonna send some back my way. The vessels never clean
I'm in a 7-Eleven. Food hall. I got my lace. So I got
Till I'm on your mind.
Here's the fit for this morning. It's so early. It's 7. I didn't sleep early. I slept like 2. But it's okay. My eyes are just looking very baggy right now. Just a few minutes away. My foot. Okay, so apparently we can enter the beach. It's a private beach. You need to pay, I think that was 100 just to enter the beach. To get to a beach that is natural. Then you've already covered the environmental fees. Okay, so this is where things get really interesting. There was a woman who was kind enough to help us get inside the beach area for free. She even called a tricycle for us. Imagine that, like, who does that? So we rode it, passed through the guards, and that's when she said something that honestly scared me. But she told the guards, "Oh, these guys are my promoters." She said we were gonna take videos, film the area, and promote her store and the beach. So when we got to the area, she began introducing us to everyone around, other store owners, people in the area, telling them that we were promoters. And then it got even more intense. Going up the path. Honestly, while we were walking around, I was thinking if we should just escape and look for a path out of the beach area, because bro, it felt like an organized crime group. And I was even checking what the store was selling. Yeah, we just said that we had to go. We declined the boat ride and we walked. Yeah, but at the gate though, someone was there waiting and he said like, "Oh, you're not gonna take the boat ride anymore?" And that, like, I got goosebumps hearing that, because how did he know that we were offered a boat ride? And then he told us that he was the father of the guy who was supposed to bring us to the island. The lady was there, the woman was there who offered us the ride and all that to get us in. Turns out she wasn't that bad. It was just all in my head. Like, she's just being kind and all that. She was just offering because there was nothing wrong with that, and I was just overreacting. I do hope though that she doesn't see this, because I'm gonna get in so much trouble, bro. But yeah. And that was it for my very short vlog. Expect to see 1 or 2 more vlogs before the year ends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!